Hello students, welcome to Excel 2016. Let's have a look upon the Excel's ribbon user interface. You can start a new blank workbook by clicking the blank workbook template. There are so many templates here. If you want to choose an empty template, then click on this. This is your new worksheet. After you have worked with Excel for some time, the Start screen displays a list of recently opened workbooks that you can reopen for further editing or printing. So, when you select the blank workbook template from the Excel 2016, the program opens an initial worksheet. It is your initial worksheet and it is named as Sheet 1. Let's rename it by double clicking. Okay. Now, let's have a look upon the different ribbons and the groups that are shown above your worksheet. Firstly, it is a file button. This button is known as the file button. When we click this file button, it opens the backstage view. Let us click it. It is the backstage open view. On the left, it contains all the document and file related commands including info, new, open, save, save as, print, share, export or close. Additionally, at the bottom here, there is an account option with user and product information settings. You can exit the backstage view and return to the normal worksheet. This is the button to go to your normal worksheet. Okay, it was all about the file button. The other one is quick access toolbar. It is also known as the customizable quick access toolbar. Here it is. Where this bar is known as quick access toolbar. It contains buttons that you can click to perform common tasks such as saving your work and undoing and redoing your edits. The other thing, this all area, this one, this is known as the ribbon. The ribbon in your worksheet. Ribbon contains the bulk of the Excel commands arranged into a series of tabs ranging from home through view. Here is your formula bar. This one, this tab is known as your formula bar. It displays the address of the current cell along with the contents of that cell. You are having the address of current cell, that is B3, A1, it is changing here, E1, okay, and in this area you can see the content of your worksheet. Whatever you write here, you can look here. Okay, so this was all about the formula bar. Inside this is a worksheet area. This all under these alphabets are worksheet area. It contains the cell of the worksheet identified by column headings using letters along the top and row headings using numbers. Along the left edge, you can see there are the numbers on the left edge. A horizontal scroll bar to move left and right through the sheet. and a vertical scroll bar. You can see this. You can move from row 1 to 2 and from left to right. You can move with the scroll bar. This is all the worksheet area in which you work. The next one is status bar. The status bar keeps you informed of the program's current mode. This one is known as the status bar. The last line, the bottom line of your worksheet is known as the status bar. It let you inform that in which mode you are working with. It's ready. You are working in the ready mode. And it also contains if any special key you engage and enables you to select a new worksheet, view and zoom. Look, you can zoom in and zoom out from this work area. Look, these are the buttons on the status bar. Look. Now let it be normal at 100%. Okay, this was all about the ribbon, status bar, worksheet area and formula bar of your Excel 2016. Now let's use the Excel ribbon. This was Excel ribbon. What does it contain? There are tabs. Tabs for each of Excel's main tasks. They bring together and display all the commands commonly needed to perform that task. You can see the tabs, that is File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, they all are the tabs. The other one is groups. Groups in the ribbon. They all are groups. Alignment is a one group, number is a one group, styles is the one group, cells is one group. They all are called the groups. They are organized related command buttons into subtasks normally performed as part of the tab's larger code task. The other one are command buttons. Now, what are the command buttons? Inside a group, we are having a button here, that is conditional formatting here, format as table, cell styles. They all are known as the command buttons. When you select these buttons, you also have a drop down of some other subtask. Look. If you select the command button conditional formatting, you are having the subtask here. Look. Yes. So these all are called the command buttons of the ribbon. The last one is the dialog box launcher. It is the dialog box launcher, this one. You can see the button on the right side of each group. Look, these are known as dialog box launcher. When you add this, you also have lots of subtasks. You can change font, you have different types of styles here, sizes, and you just keep OK here and you get your font style and font size. Just we are pressing cancel here. So it is known as the dialog box launcher. So it is all about the ribbon and its tabs, its groups. Thank you.